Hi, friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking, and Card Making. Today I'm sharing my Graphic 45 Shabby Chic tag process. For this tag, I'm using the Graphic 45 Garden Goddess 8x8 paper pad, along with the tag, dies, and flower embellishments by Graphic 45. I'll also be using trims and items from my stash to add to that shabby chic effect. As you can see here, I've already laid down the base for our shabby chic tag. I'm using the Graphic 45 regular size tag in ivory, and I've die cut the insert using the regular tag and gears die set. And with the use of white craft paint and a foam applicator, I've applied a dry brushing technique around the edges of my paper and flower embellishments. I apply some foam squares to the sunflower fairy for some dimension on the top. Next, I hot glue a strip of gauze to shabby up the bottom corner. And to add some elegance to my shabby, I hot glue this beaded trim on top of it. I then add some flourish and leaf embellishments as the backdrop to my flowers. Now I'm ready to add my flowers. And last but not least, I hot glue my sentiment piece, and I'm done. I hope that you found this Graphic 45 tutorial helpful and that it inspires you in your own paper crafting projects. Thank you so very much for watching. Until next time, bye now.